Right, what's going on, people? I've got my camera set up here on like a worktop kind of thing, and it's level, straight, flat. I've set up some bars next to it as well, my like testing rig, and that's showing you perspective. Now I'm going to show you how it is level, but how the horizon also works, what people don't seem to understand. Are you ready? Alright, here we go. Alright, here we go. So we've got the laser on now. You can see the line at the back, that'll be your horizon. Now if I just carefully do this. This line here is also the horizon. Now this line is also the horizon at the front. It's because the ground ramps up. It's the same horizontal line. Like you're seeing at the back. So imagine that line going all the way straight to here. I remember where the phone was. Keep going back. Should I keep going back a bit more? And maybe a bit more. And do you kind of understand how it all works? The horizon line, it's level. No matter where you would go. It works the same way. And that's the ground ramped up to the horizon. The camera is literally flat on the surface. Flat on that. Showing you that the ground ramps up. It's a perspective thing. You don't actually look up or look down. You look straight ahead, level. Level.